I see some folks getting out of their car and getting some bikes together, so we're gonna go walk by them on purpose. Someone stopped to talk to us a minute ago, and Millie did fine, but she definitely had a moment of like, maybe I should try to run away. Tap, 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 heel. Just gonna remind her what we're doing. Walk by again. This way. She's more comfortable in this direction because I'm between her and the people in the bike. So I'm going to turn around again and do it one more time in the other direction. Tap. So every time she chooses to focus on what's going on over there, there's a tap. And I'm going to slow my walking down a little bit. And that's intentional. We're going to cut through the woods here. Tap. Good, good.